channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use just two simple ingredients to lighten, brighten, clear pigmentation from the skin. Get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. These two ingredients are great for your face, your neck, your décolleté. It will help your skin once used on a regular, that is, to look brighter, clearer, and it's also great for reducing wrinkles and fine lines. I am going to show you how to make this remedy, which can be used as a facial mask, and it also can be doubled as a facial wash. Very unique, or very simple, but very effective. So if you're looking for a facial mask that's gonna clear pigmentation from the skin, that's gonna brighten the skin and give you that natural glow, then this remedy might just be for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen and I'll show you the recipe. Now, if this is the first time watching our channel, a warm welcome to you, virtual hug to you. I'm so happy you are here, especially if you're here because you're looking to get your skin to look amazing in a short period of time using natural ingredients. One thing we ask of you is to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss another video. The word subscribe is below in red. You just click on it and it's as easy as that. You're subscribed. We post video daily, so come back, watch the daily video, try as many recipes as you can, and you're on your way to gorgeous looking skin. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
Milk. Milk is vital for the skin. There are many ways that you can use milk on the skin. You can choose to have a milk bath. You can also choose to have a milk facial. You can choose to use milk to soften the skin. You can choose to use milk all over your body. However, I like to use milk on my face, and the reason for that is the rich lactic acid. Lactic acid help to clear the skin of pigmentation, help to get rid of the dead skin cells, help the skin to look younger by reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. When I personally use milk on my skin always feels fresh, it always looks smooth, and it always be totally hydrated. So today I'm going to be using this milk in our recipe. Now let's put the milk aside and move on to my next ingredient. My next ingredient is tomato. And tomato is something that we often eat on our sandwich. Many of us cook with this. Some of us even like to just put a little salt on it and eat it just like that. It's amazing. It has a great taste, but it's also rich in lycopene. And lycopene helps the skin to look younger by reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Tomato also helps to brighten and get rid of hyperpigmentation from the skin. It has this strong acid that clears the skin of grease and dirt. When you use tomato on the skin, whether you're mixing it with other ingredients, it's going to help your skin to look better, regardless of how your skin is looking at the time. So what I'm going to do with the tomato, I'm going to chop it in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. So chop that tomato and then you add it to the blender. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach back for the milk. And I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of milk to the blender along with the tomato. And blend well. Once it is blended, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to strain. We're making a facial mask that we do not want any bit of particles in it. We want it to be just smooth. So I'm going to use a strainer, but you can go ahead and you can use a cheesecloth to strain. The combination of tomato and milk on the skin is really awesome. If you have blackheads and whitehead and even acne-prone skin, this will help to clear the skin up once used on a regular. Now remember, if you're vegan, you can go ahead and you can use some soy milk. So go ahead and strain. And once this is done, you're just going to toss whatever is left. I like to really squeeze it out like I'm showing here. Just really squeeze. And now here we have our tomato juice. This you can choose to put in an ice tray and you can freeze the cubes. And whenever you're ready, you just take out a cube and just use it on the skin or mix it with your other ingredient. I'm going to add some oils to this, however. And today I choose to use some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a very light oil and it will not clog the pores. It helps to soften and it also helps to cut down on the amount of acid that is in the tomato, since we're going to use this on the skin on a regular. So I'm just going to give this a stir And now this is ready to use on the skin. I like to chill this before I use it, and I also like to store it in a small sterilized container. Here I have one that have an open mouth. You can even choose to store it in a bottle with a pump. And once this is done, take a look. Here we have our skin brightening facial mask. This mask can be used as a mask as well as a facial wash. To use it as a mask, I like to use it with a mask sheet like I showed in the beginning of the video. So you're just going to pour some on the mask sheet, totally saturate the sheet with the liquid, and then you place it over your face. You leave it on for at least 30 minutes, and then you rinse off with cold water. You can also choose to use this as a facial wash. Pour a little in your hands and wash your face with it. Good to use on the skin 2 to 3 times a week as a mask, and good to use as a facial wash daily on the skin. Use it as often as you wish, and you're on your way to bright, clear, beautiful, radiant looking skin with a natural glow. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and I can't wait to read those comments. So comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.